Hello everyone, I'm Product Manager Team. I will introduce the Industrial Networking Switch, iSwitch series. My agenda is what role does the industrial network switch play in IoT? Two key factors to consider when buying an industrial network switch. The feature of managed unmanaged switch introduced, and the rack mount switch introduced, and the wireless router. In the application of the Internet of Things, the architecture can be divided into three layers. The first part is the device layer, which mainly has sensors like temperature, humidity, CO2. Sensor data can be transferred by wireless communication equipment like 4G or Wi-Fi router. The second layer is the network transfer layer. Sensor data is transmitted to the backend for management via the network switch. This layer plays an important role in data transmission. The third layer is the management layer. By the management software, the on-site data can be presented and analyzed and optimize the on-site process. There are two key factors when you buy a network switch. They are backup mechanism and cyber security. ERPS is crucial deployment in the industrial redundant network. However, it can only protect in one link failure of a ring. If there is more than one link fail, the ERPS ring will still break. The wireless ERPS backup technology uses level 2 VPN to provide the wireless layer 2 backup mechanism. More than one link failure occur. RPL owner created a layer 2 VPN connection to VPN server. RPL neighborhood also created a layer 2 VPN connection to VPN server. The ERPS ring is still working through the layer 2 VPN to keep the data transmission. The redundant gateway technology is based on the ERPS mechanism to track the main gateway status in the ERPS ring. When the main gateway is not available, the redundant gateway will change its IP address to the main gateway's one, so the device in the network can still connect in a seamless way. The multiple redundant gateway settings secure the network even when multiple nodes fail in the network. Many system integrators, such as Siemens and ABB, require component supplier to comply with the IEC 62443-4-2 subsection for the security of end device. The subsection defines 4 security threat levels. Level 1 is to protect against accidental and not proven access. Level 2 is the baseline requirement of the automation industry. It is related to cyber threat posed by hacker, which is the most common attack experienced by system integrators. Level 3 and 4 are against intentional access by hackers who utilize specific skill and tools. Now we offer advanced level 3 and level 4 security feature in the switches. The feature of unmanaged and managed switches. Unmanaged type switch equipped with the wide operating temperature, 40 minus to 70 degrees C, and IP31 protection, and 1.5 kV high power isolation protection. It can be applied in a different market like power substation, transportation, factory automation, and the surveillance market also are available. The products is a A-port IDS-8 and IDS-5. For managed type switch, is not only a managed type feature, but also ERPS function for redundant ring protocol and the cyber security. So market also apply all are introduced. So product like the LTE router, ISR2G, or IDSW, AG 4GS, and the rack mount switch, RSW 20G 4GS, 4GCO. For unmanaged type, IDS8, it is industrial A-port, A-port fast Ethernet, or 8 full gigabit, or 8 gigabit with PoE, 3 types. Integrate the power connector in the front panel, and the 6 copper Ethernet port with 2 uplink Ethernet port with 2 fiber. You can choose SC or ST connector, multi-mode 2 km, single mode 30 km. Of course, you are able to choose 2 copper. Deep switch support broadcast storm control and the quality of service. It is a slim size and economical solution, and the support A02.3 AZ energy efficiency Ethernet, save 20% of power while standby. For managing DIMM switch, IDSW AG or AGP 4GS Layer 3 is a DIMM Rail flagship model. It is managed type 12-port 4 gigabit Layer 3 switch. Integrate the power connector in the front panel, especially designed for redundant power, and the 2-pin for digital input and the digital output, and the USB for configuration, easy for backup, restore, firmware upgrade, and the 4 gigabit SLP connector for ring connection or uplink port, and 8 4 gigabit Ethernet port with PoE or non-PoE. For PoE type, 30 watt per port, and provide 240 watt PoE output, and 1.5 megabyte buffer for high resolution video. ESD surge level 3, criteria 8, no traffic loss during the criteria environment. Of course, it support ERPS ring protocol, and the RSTP, MSTP, and advanced Layer 2 Plus and the Layer 3 router function, RIP, OSPF, DVMRP, and advanced Cyber Security Plus, IPSG, DAI, DHCP snooping. As power utility locations are remotely distributed, DCS is usually implemented in power plant automation system for increasing working productivity, as well as for smart energy production, while eliminate influence on environment. Vital rule of data communication between various automation components is evident through it bring the problem of data protection from cyber attack and the network redundancy, as is based on the Ethernet and Internet. For DIMM Rail type switch equipped with a dual power and high power isolation, wide operating temperature, 8 gigabit Ethernet port can be connected with the IP surveillance camera, and the VRRP function provide gateway backup, keep network available. For rack mount type RSW 20G or 20GP 4GS 4GCO Layer 2 switch, equipped with a powerful CPU, 56G switching capability, 1.2 GHz, and the 16K MAC, and the 9K byte jumbo thread. 20 port 4 gigabit interface with 4 gigabit combo port design, plus 4 gigabit SLP fiber port, up to 28 port gigabit, or up to 8 fiber port. For PoE, 24 port PoE up to 30 watt per port. Transportation certificate and wide operating temperature. And support industrial IoT LAN and cloud management. ERPS RIM redundancy protocol. Advanced cybersecurity function. Control center play a vital role in a large-scale industrial network. The switch in control center collect remote data and send to backbone network. Therefore, the support of resistant network is important, as well as the high port density and the bandwidth to protect from network attack. Comprehensive cybersecurity features are network administrators' first priority. RSW 20G rack mount switch equipped with outstanding throughput and ultra-high-speed connection up to 28 port 4 gigabit. ERPS function cybersecurity. For LTE router, ISR 2G LTE series equipped with the Wi-Fi and LTE function. And you are able to choose one SIM plus one micro SD card, or two SIM for redundant plus one micro SD card. Even eSIM support by request. Two Ethernet port, WAN and LAN configurable. Dual serial port communication, RS-232, 422, 485 support, and 15K ESD protection. USB expansion port, good for engineer or on-site configuration. The application is an active project for power feeding data through serial communication over LTE. The power feeding data are monitored in 10-second period. ISR2G is selected because real-time status need to be passed through LTE signal. LTE connection required to be stable and persistent, and this is done by comprehensive cellular watchdog design. Full function serial communication is also a must for different field site deployment requirement. All the control data channels are passed through secure VPN tunnel supported by ISR2G LTE router. This is my presentation today. If you have any question, please scan the QR code to contact us. If you like the video, please click like or share video. Don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you. Bye-bye.